Okay, here it is, guys. This is the club you've been waiting for. How to hit it 300 plus yards. Really not rocket science, but there are some differences from the irons to the driver. The first is going to be obviously the ball placement. Since the ball is off of the ground, we don't have the luxury of compression by trapping it. And that's also why a driver's 45 inches long. The long drive guys have 52-inch drivers, so centrifugal force can do all of the work for us. So, difference is the weight distribution. With an iron or anything on the ground, we start left, stay left, go left. Well, guess what? With the driver, we want to start right and stay right throughout the entire motion. Now, the hinge works the same. The difference is going to be the amount of rotation that you use with your body on the takeaway. I'm going to use my entire lower and upper body with my hinge work to rotate as far behind the ball as I can. That's going to give me a large arc and a wide arc on the takeaway. Again, we're not going to have the luxury of pinching the ball. We need the most amount of club head speed. So with the ball forward of the breastbone, remember the bottom of the swing is the breastbone, and this is the only club that we actually hit on the ascending swing, we have to make sure that we don't risk hitting down on it. So the ball left in the stance, I want you to feel as if you load 60% of your weight on your right side, and as you take the club away with the same hinge work, rotate your body a little bit more so it transfers maybe 70 or even 80% of your weight to your right foot. Now the difference with an iron is we rotate forward. With the driver, we don't rotate forward till impact. We're going to rotate, but not forward. Clear the entire body with the head, everything the same, the passivity is the same. So I want to be able to hit the ball in the middle of this club face every time for the sweet spot. We don't want any lateral movement back or forth. So you want to feel as if you're going to start right, go right, and stay right. Now with an iron, if you lose your balance, you lose it forward. With a driver, if you lose your balance, backwards. We have to make sure that we're ascending on it. Not trying to roll my hands over or get club head speed that way. The same core rotation with the lower, upper, and head moving all together. So you can see I'm going to place it back, good rotation. From this spot, I'm not going to want to move forward. I'm just going to unwind off the right leg. After impact, the club might pull me forward. And if it doesn't pull me forward and I hang back and fall backwards, that's totally acceptable as well. So let me demonstrate. Ball placement left, 60%, 70% of my weight on my right side. The same thumbs up with a bigger shoulder turn. Again, same thing happens with the driver. If I stop, that's how passive my hands and arms are. Place it back, drop, and turn. And I'll tell you something, being 41 and hitting it 300 yards is really a no-brainer. Give that a shot.